Hello everyone. Welcome to Computational Methods in Engineering class. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, I am going to explain one problem on least squares regression to fit a straight line. Let us see the problem. Use least squares regression to fit a straight line to the given table, that is xi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yi 0.5 2.5 2 4 3.5 6 5.5. Also compute the standard error, standard deviation and correlation coefficient. See the problem. This is the straight line. We know the equation for straight line, that is y equal to a plus bx, and also write normal equation for the straight line, that is regression y on x, regression y on x. We know the normal formulas, that is na plus b summation xi equal to summation yi. Second one is multiplying this equation with summation xy, that is a summation xi plus b summation xi square equal to summation xi yi. For calculating these coefficients a and b, I constructed one table, that is xi yi, second one xi square yi square, xi yi. Just you can write these values xi y in this new table, that is xi is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This one is summation xi. Next one is y is 0.5 2.5 2 4 3.5 6 5.5, that is 0.5 2.5 2 4 3.5 6 5.5. This is summation yi. Next column is xi square, that means 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. Similar to next column yi square, that is yi means 0.5 square, that is 0.25, 2.5 whole square, that is 6.25, 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 3.5 whole square, that is 12.25, 6 square 36, 5.5 whole square, that is 30.25. This is the summation xi square. This is summation yi square. Next column is xi yi, that is 1 into 0.5 0.5, 2 into 2.5, that is 5, 3 into 2 6, 4 into 16, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 3.5 17.5, 6 into 6 36, 7 into 5.5, that is 38.5. Summation xi yi. Now calculate xi, summation xi, summation yi, summation xi square, summation yi square, summation xiy. One place, two place, three place, four place, five place, six place, 7. The answer is 28. Second one, summation of yi, that is 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3.5 plus 6 plus 5.5. The answer is 24. 24. Next column is summation xi square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 plus 49, that equal to 140. Next column is summation yi square, that is 0.25 plus 6.25 plus 4 plus 16 plus 12.25 plus 36 plus 30.25. The answer is 105. Next one is summation xi yi, that is 0.5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 16 plus 17.5 plus 36 plus 38.5. The answer is 119.5. 119.5. Now substitute these values in normal equations, that is, this equation is 1, this is a, this is b. See here, now substitute these values in this equation a and b. N means number of elements are 7 a plus summation xi, that means 28b, equal to summation yi, that is 24. Second equation is a summation xi plus b summation xi square equal to summation xi yi. A is constant, summation xi means 28 a plus b summation xi square, summation xi square is 140 b, equal to summation xi yi, that equal to 119.5, equal to 119.5. This is the equation 1 and this is the 2. Now solving these two equations, you can get a value and b value. You can also solve this equation by using calc. Shift, in this you can select equation part 5. See this, it shows 1 2 3 4 expressions. In this you can select first expression, that is 7, enter, 28, enter, 24, enter, second row 28, enter, 140, enter, 119.5, enter. Now click on equal symbol. You get a value is 0.01 0.071428, 0.071428. B value is 0.83928. Now substitute these A, B values in equation 1. We get final solution is regression to fit a straight line y equal to 0.0711428 plus 0.83928x. See the second question, that is also compute the standard error, standard deviation and correlation coefficient. For calculating these three terms, you must and should calculate yi minus y bar whole square. Second one is yi minus a minus bxi whole square. Y bar means average of these terms, y terms. Y bar equal to summation of yi equal 24, total number of elements 7, so the average value is 3.428571. After calculating this y bar, next you can calculate yi minus y bar whole square. Yi means 0.5 minus y bar is 3.428571 whole square. See the answer, 8.5765. 8.5765. Similar to second one. Two 2.5 minus y bar whole square. The answer is 0.8622. 0.8622. Next one is 2 minus y bar. Answer is 2.0408. 2.0408. Next one is 4 minus y bar whole square. Answer is 0.3265. 3265. Next one is 3.5. Answer 5.10 into 10 power minus 3, that is 0.0051. Similar to remaining values, 6.6122, 4.2908. Summation of yi minus y bar whole square, that value is 22.7143. Next column is yi minus a minus bxi whole square. Yi means 0.5, 0.5 minus 0.071428 minus bx 0.83928 whole square. Answer is 0.1686. 0.1687. Similar to change yi values. Second one is yi means 2.5. Second value is 2.5 minus a 0.071428. The value is second one is yi means 2.5 minus a minus xi means 2. Enter, that value is 0.5625. 0.5625. Next, third one is yi means 2, xi means 3, b into 3. Answer is 0.3472. 0.3473. Similar to calculate the remaining values. Fourth one is 0.3265, 0.5896, 0.7972, 0.1993. Last one is summation of yi minus a minus bxi whole square. The value is 2.9911. Next question is standard deviation. We know the formula for standard deviation. Sy equal to standard deviation, Sy equal to under root st by n minus 1, that equal to st means this is the st, that means summation of yi minus y bar whole square, that is the st. This is the st, this is the sr. That means summation of yi minus y bar whole square by n minus 1, that equal to under root the value is 22.7143, 22.7143 by n minus 1, 7 minus 1. This value is under root 22.7143 by 6. Answer is 1.9457. 1.9457. Next one is standard error of the estimate. That means Sy by x equal to under root SR by n minus 2. We know the SR formula, that is summation of yi minus a minus b xi whole square by n minus 2. SR value is 2.9911, that equal to under root 2.9911 by 7 minus 2, that equal to 2.9911 by 7 minus 2, 5, equal to 0.773. 0.7735. Because syx, see here, sy by x less than sy, the linear regression model has merit. The extent of improvement is quantified by correlation coefficient r square equal to st minus sr by st. Here r square means coefficient of determination. R square means coefficient of determination. Now r equal to, that means correlation coefficient, r equal to under root st minus sr by st. Now substitute the values here. St means 22.7147, SR means 2.9911. 22.7143 minus 2.9911 by ST 22.71 under root 22.7143 minus 2.9911 by 22.7143. Answer is 0.9318. This is the final answer. This is the standard error of the estimate, that is 0. This is the standard deviation, sy equal to 1.9457. Standard error answer 0.7735. Correlation coefficient answer is 0.9318. Straight line fit answer is y equal to 0.71428 plus 0.83928x. These are the final solutions. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.